we've stripped out the inside, all the carpet separated to the wood, general waste and the metal. So now we're going to strip off these metal walls. It's got some polystyrene insulation in between that we're going to separate and bag up, and then we'll just be left with the metal shell ready for us to come back and cut down. So day 2, we've stripped the walls, all of the polystyrene is bagged and ready to go. The plan of action for today will be to strip the ceiling, get all the wood gone again, any more polystyrene bagged up, and then we'll start taking down the metal frame.
Hey yo, the rain was steady pouring, heard the drops of drizzle meant to be. Chilling in my crib, no doubt, peep the scenery. Telephone rang, then it stopped before I could answer it. I heard a knock at the door, so I answered it. And with Jermaine, he had a little situation. Beef up on the block, and orthodox that led the confrontation. He said these cats be acting hard on the block, and they be pumping weight and holding, so Dwayne got shot. Now see, Dwayne was just a knucklehead, but still with his cousin. And I'd be wrong if I ain't help him when it's beef, he gon' rush him. He said, listen, homie, ain't no time for discussion. Motherfucking pressure's rising and it's boiling the bust him. So if you with me, then you with me, nigga, make a decision. Got the bait, you be the hook, cause we's about to go fishing. Now listen, when it's on, then it's on for sure.
Off, yeah.
In the winter snow, stood up in the dog becomes the light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stood up in the dog becomes the light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stood up in the dog becomes the light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stood up in the dog becomes the light. So always play your part. Hey yo, we pulled up on the block and it's raining, it's hard to see shit. All I seen is 6 headlights, that means it's 3 whips. 3 chicks hopped at the whip, they had some heaters with them. Walked up on it slowly and told me they wanted to get to know me. Jermaine was scoping them bitches, he beat their strategy. They took us to a building with children, they watching actually. But naturally, took us to the basement instead. I see Dwayne up in the corner, but they told me he's dead. That's when I looked up at Jermaine, he got a smirk that he made. Put his pistol to my back and told the bitches let's trade. Motherfucker set me up, it ain't no time for discussion. See him stalling for a minute, so we started.
Roof's down, sides are gone, now for the base.
Knocked the pistol out his hand and quickly fell to the floor. We scuffled back and forth for minutes, I got snuffed in my jaw. And when I got back to my feet, I saw him clutching his heater. He pulled it quickly like a symphony, get down with Jesus. It's like stood up in the dog, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stood up in the dog, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stood up in the dog, it comes to light. So always play your part, and say goodnight. Stood up in.
So the building's all down, we're finished for the day. What we've got left is a pile of metal, a pile of generals for us to come back for. We're not able to come back tomorrow because of the working hours at the factory and deliveries. We won't be able to get on site, so we'll be coming back at the start of next week to clear everything away. But yeah, it's gone well.
How do you think the job went?
It's gone well.
Any comments?
It's gone well. It's gone to plan. We're on time and we're on time, good time scale. We're on time and we're on budget. So
like and subscribe.
Mother truckers.
Christ.
Stand up in the dog, it comes to light. So always play your part.